Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. Today isn't really a video I wanted to make. I've owned this car for less than a week and I'm already encountering my very first problem. And then it looks like the belt almost snapped off.
Almost, dude. Yeah, that thing's close.
Very, very close.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if I don't have no tools on me, so.
Yeah, I tried to ask. Let me see if I have something in the trunk. As you can see, it's my 2011 Chevy Camaro SS with a Pro Charger in it. And so after finishing up my very first run, just got done with my very first race. Thank you. Let's see what we did. We ran a 8.4 at 84 miles per hour. The car was driving fine. I came and then I parked. A gentleman next to me that had the Audi S4, a tuned Audi S4. I was about to ask him for a race, and he told me that I was about to ask him for a race. He agreed, and then we decided to let our car cool down because we ran similar time. I ran a 8.4 at 87. He ran a 8.3 at 81. And then when I opened the hood to cool down the car, I noticed that he actually noticed that the belt was halfway off. So I'm pretty much gonna try my luck, turn on the car and drive slowly. I really hope I'll make it home. And then tomorrow I will either drive it to a performance shop and have them look at it, or if I can have a mechanic come home and take a look at it. I'm pretty disappointed, but I won't be discouraged by that. I love the car. It's beautiful, fully loaded. And it's a Camaro. I owned a Camaro before. I know they are a reliable car, so I won't let this issue slow me down. I'm a little bit afraid right now that something worse might happen, but I'll keep it hopeful. I'm gonna head home now, park the car, drive really slowly, park the car, and then figure it out tomorrow. That's good. Make sure I have everything. And drive it little by little. This gentleman right there with the Chevy, the blue Chevy, it's an Impala, I believe, helped me out. He was able to provide me with tools. The belt seems to be in place. I don't think it's gonna come off again unless it seems to only happen if you drive it hard. But I think it's fine to drive. I can still drive it. But I don't know. I'll take it to a performance shop tomorrow and see. This is where the belt that shaved off ended.